seconds, I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, here's the story. I'm kind of obsessed with Polaroid cameras and just like vintage cameras too, and I basically look for them everywhere that I go. And when I was in Nashville in April, I picked up a Polaroid camera and I was with my aunt and my uncle, and my aunt is actually a hairdresser, so when she was talking with her client the other day that I collect vintage cameras, they were like, oh, like, would she like a bag full of them because we were just gonna throw them away. My aunt was obviously like, yeah, she'll definitely want those. So today I have a big bag of camera stuff that I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys, because I made a poll on the YouTube community tab and asked you guys if you wanted to see this haul on my main channel or my vlog channel, and everybody said main channel, so here we go. So this is the first camera that I found when I was digging through the bag, and it is a Polaroid one-step flash 600 camera, and it is freaking in the box. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I made an Instagram story about this because I was just too excited about it, but it's in the box. It's in the styrofoam, like the manuals and everything that it came with. And then here is the actual camera, and all of these cameras are like insanely good condition. But the only thing with this one is that when it like opens, I'm gonna be very careful because it kind of sticks sometimes, but this is what it looks like. It's super freaking cute, and it will go great with my Polaroid collection. And if you guys never seen my Polaroid collection video, I'll link that in the description box below, even though it has grown quite a bit since I made that video. Let me know if you want me to make a second one where it's updated. The next camera that I have to show you guys is this one. This is a Polaroid Super Shooter Plus, and this one actually takes the peel apart film, and I was actually using this morning. I just decided to test it out and, you know, see if it worked, and it does. And the pictures come out like this. I took a picture, I actually took a couple of pictures, but the best one that came out was this one. It's a picture of a squirrel. Hopefully you guys can see what it looks like, but anyway, yeah, it just takes a peel apart film. It works like a charm. And what was really cool was that in the bag came a buttload of these flash cubes. Yeah, I don't know if you can buy flash cubes anymore, but they came with a bunch of these. So I'm gonna try it out because I'm going camping this weekend. Well, it will already have passed by the time this video is live, but I've never tried a camera like this with the flash before, so I'd be interested to see how it turns out. This one is a Kodak Brownie 620, and it came with the manual as well, and it's in really good condition. I did have to wipe it off though because there was a bit of like moldy, mildewy stuff on it. Yeah, I really like the design on the front. I think is super cool. It's almost like futuristic-y looking or something, but yeah, I think it looks super cool. However, I don't know, I'm quite sure you cannot get film for these anymore, so I don't know if I'll ever be able to use it. I could be wrong on that, but I think it's a really cool decorational piece, even if I don't end up using it. So, look how freaking cool it looks. Next we have a little Brownie Holiday, and I actually already have one just like this, and the one that I have actually is in the box, so I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping this one. I might give it to my sister. She might want this one because I already have another one just like it. Yeah, it's just a little tiny Brownie Holiday flash. Brownie number 3 is this Brownie Hawkeye. It's in really great condition. It's super cute. I think this is the same camera that my sister has that my grandpa gave to her. The instruction manual, as well as some little tiny flash cubes. Here's what they look like if you don't know what they look like. And this is what the bag looks like that it came in. The strap's a little funky, but... So this is the second last one that I got, and technically it's not really a camera, but we're gonna throw it in here anyway. It is a Panaview automatic 2x2 slide viewer. Unfortunately, I do not have any slides. But if anybody I know has slides, hit me up and we can look at them. Alright guys, and now we are on to the final camera in this vintage camera haul, and it is... box opens like this. And as you can see, everything is pristinely in there. Freaking cool, eh? So we have the camera, there's a box of film that's literally never been opened, and then we also have a flash cube, as well as the instruction manual. It's really cool because I don't think I've ever actually seen one of these before, and the fact that it's like in the box and everything, oh Oh, made in Canada by Canadian. Wow, that's kind of cool. I didn't notice that before. Yeah, I'm just like super happy with how like all of these are in like literally such good condition with the manuals and the boxes and the instructions and all that kind of stuff. Whoever gave these to me, if you're watching this, thank you. Super excited about all of these. I don't have any of these ones in my collection yet, except for this little guy. If you guys want to see more videos on like camera hauls and vintagey hauls, thrifting hauls, that kind of thing, let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know if you guys want a like camera collection video, because I could totally do that. We might be here for a while, but I could totally do that. So yeah, with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video.